Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw webinar replays into Kajabi automations, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Kajabi account. Navigate to the products section on the left sidebar. Select the course or product that contains the webinar replay you want to withdraw. Click on the edit button for the specific product. Find the content tab within the product settings. Locate the section where your webinar replay is stored. Click on the replay video to access its settings. Scroll down to find the share options. Copy the link provided for the webinar replay. Next, go to the automation section in the left sidebar. Click on the New Automation button. Select the trigger that will activate your automation. Common triggers include when a user enrolls in a product or completes a specific action. Once you select your trigger, click Save. Now, add an action to your automation. Choose the email or action option based on your needs. If you select email, you'll be prompted to create a new email. Enter a subject line and write your email body. Incorporate the previously copied webinar replay link into the email content. Personalize the email as needed with dynamic placeholders. Review your email to ensure clarity and effectiveness. If you selected action, configure the desired action that should occur. This could involve tagging the user, moving them to a new segment, or sending a notification. Once you configure your actions, be sure to save your automation. Test your automation to ensure it works correctly. Consider enrolling a test user to confirm that the webinar replay link is sent as intended. Monitor your automations regularly for any necessary adjustments. By following these steps, you can effectively withdraw webinar replays into Kajabi automations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.